Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sync slicers on the same page in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you're working with multiple visualizations and want to ensure that all your slicers work together seamlessly, giving you consistent filtering across your entire report page. Let's start by opening your Power BI desktop application. Once you have it up and running, direct your attention to the top ribbon where you'll find various tabs and options. Click on the View tab. This is where you'll access a range of display and layout settings that help you customize how your workspace looks and functions. Within the View tab, you'll see several options available. Look for and click on Sync Slicers. This action is crucial because it enables the functionality that allows different slicers on your page to communicate with each other. Once you click this, you'll notice that a new panel appears on the right side of your screen. This is the Sync Slicers panel, and it's going to be your control center for managing how your slicers interact with one another. Now, with the Sync Slicers panel visible on the right, you need to take things a step further to create custom slicer groups. Click on Advanced Options. This expands the functionality beyond basic syncing and allows you to create named groups for your slicers. This is particularly helpful when you have multiple sets of slicers that you want to sync independently. In the field that appears, input a name for your slicer group. For this example, let's use country. This name will serve as the identifier for this particular group of slicers, ensuring that only slicers within this group sync together. It's a simple but powerful way to organize your filtering logic. Next, you'll need to apply this same group name to any other slicer you want to sync with the first one. Click on the other slicer that you want to include in this synchronized group. Once you've selected it, repeat the previous step by clicking Advanced Options again. In the Group Name field, input the same name you used before, which is country. By giving both slicers the same group name, you're telling Power BI to keep them in sync, so when one changes, the other updates automatically. And that's it. You've successfully synced your slicers on the same page in Power BI. Now, whenever you adjust one of these slicers, the other will automatically update to match, ensuring your data filtering remains consistent across your visualizations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.